I'll show you how you can set up your Verizon Wi-Fi extender. First off, you will have to plug the Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet next to the Verizon Internet Gateway and wait for a solid yellow light. So you'll have to turn the Verizon Wi-Fi extender to its backside and you'll have to plug it into the wall. After that, you will have to press and hold the unified button. It's right there, the one with the little circle on the pair button on the Wi-Fi extender for about 3 seconds. Then the pair button on the use Verizon gateway within 2 minutes. Both devices blink blue while pairing. If there is an error during the pairing process, the success LED slowly flashes red for 2 minutes after the error occurs. Once a solid white or blinking yellow light appears on the Wi-Fi extender, it's paired. You want to unplug the Wi-Fi extender from the power outlet and move it between the internet gateway and the weak Wi-Fi coverage area, then plug it to a power outlet. If you see a fast blinking yellow light, move the extender further away from the internet gateway. If you see a slow blinking yellow light, move the extender closer to the internet gateway. Once the LED indicator turns solid white, your setup is complete. For more info on LED extender, refer to the manual on the LED status indicators.